Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus is the newest version of Toyota's bundle of active safety features. This is Toyota's most enhanced driver assistance technology, set to debut on the 2021 Toyota Camry, arriving later this year. So what can you expect from Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus? First, the enhanced features of the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection gives the Safety Sense package much to brag about. Not only is it capable of detecting a vehicle ahead, but also the upcoming bicyclist in daytime and even a pedestrian in low-light conditions. The pre-collision system with pedestrian detection may also detect an upcoming vehicle or pedestrian when performing a left-hand turn, and may provide audio-visual alerts and even automatic braking under some conditions. Additional PCS functions include emergency steering assist, which is designed to stabilize the driver's emergency steering maneuvers within their lane while avoiding an upcoming pedestrian, bicyclist, or vehicle. Next, you can expect an enhanced full-speed dynamic radar cruise control for Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus. This feature can be activated above 30 miles per hour and is designed to perform vehicle-to-vehicle distance controls down to 0 miles per hour and resume from a stop. DRCC also includes a new feature that allows for smoother overtaking of slower vehicles. If traveling behind a vehicle driving slower than the preset speed, once the driver engages the turn signal with steering input, the system will provide an initial increase in acceleration in preparation for changing lanes. After changing lanes, the vehicle will continue acceleration until it reaches the preset driving speed. Further, when dynamic radar cruise control is set and engaged, lane tracing assist is designed to aid the driver by providing a slight steering force to help center the vehicle in its lane. Similarly, lane departure alert is designed to help notify the driver via steering wheel vibrations or audible alert if it senses the vehicle is leaving the lane without using a turn signal. Also included in Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus are two functions: automatic high beams and road sign assist. Additionally, TSS 2.5 Plus features the newest safety function, rear seat reminder, which prevents the driver from forgetting anything in the car, whether a package or backpack or something critical like a pet or child. Last but not least, Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus boasts the fan favorite blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert. These premium features come standard on the XLE and XSE Camry grades and will be available on certain LE and SE grades. The all-new 2021 Camry will be available later this year. Visit us online at oaklawntoyota.com for more information. Ronnie Colosimo's Oaklawn Toyota, a dealer you can count on.